Hi, I'm Gabby, and today we're going to be talking about Overwatch, one of the most popular multiplayer experiences out there, offering players a variety of characters and gameplay styles. In today's science/character breakdown, we're going to be looking at one of the iconic characters, Widowmaker. After multiple unsuccessful assassination attempts against Gerard, the terrorist organization Talon decided to target Amelie instead. They abducted her and subjected her to an excruciating regiment of neural reconditioning, turning her into a deadly sleeper agent. She was later found by Overwatch agents, seemingly unharmed, and went back to live life as normal. 2 weeks later, she killed her husband in his sleep. After her mission was complete, she returned to Talon, where they set out to complete her transformation. One of Widowmaker's most striking and defining features is her blue skin. This is due to her heartbeat being slowed down considerably as the final step in turning her into a living weapon. Essentially, as a sniper, she needed a perfectly steady hand. So the logical course of action would be to just take away that pesky heartbeat. The appearance of blue skin is an actual medical condition called cyanosis, which is caused by tissues not getting enough oxygen. A quick lesson in basic anatomy will tell you that the heart is responsible for pumping oxygenated blood to the tissues and organs throughout the body. So a significantly slower heart rate could plausibly lead to deoxygenated tissues severe enough to trigger cyanosis. So what does oxygen have to do with the actual color of the skin? Well, oxygen binds to our red blood cells via a protein called hemoglobin, which actually makes up about 96% of our red blood cells' dry weight. Hemoglobin is red, meaning it reflects red light. While the blood in our bodies is always red no matter what, the amount of oxygen attached via our nifty hemoglobin proteins is what actually changes the hue. Blood that is super deoxygenated is actually a deep, dark red color, which alters the way light diffuses through skin, resulting in the shade of blue on the surface of the skin. Bonus fact, the intricacies of these optics also explain why veins appear to be blue. The skin, as well as subcutaneous fat, scatter light in a way that only high-frequency wavelengths, aka blues and violets, are able to permeate and illuminate the veins. Alright, so back to our friend Widowmaker. While the suggested reasoning behind her unique skin tone is plausible, is it actually sustainable? The short answer, no. Oxygen is an essential component in cellular respiration, one of the most vital biochemical reactions in our body. Through a process within cellular respiration called oxidative phosphorylation, oxygen makes it possible for our bodies to produce ATP, the primary energy carrier for pretty much all living creatures. ATP is the driving force for various cellular processes, and without it, our cells and subsequently tissues and organs would die. Furthermore, our cells are only able to survive a total lack of oxygen for about 4 to 6 minutes, so a severely oxygen-deprived individual such as Widowmaker doesn't seem to have a significantly more hopeful prognosis. Cases of cyanosis are taken pretty seriously, it being recommended to alert a doctor if normal coloration doesn't appear promptly. And yet, Widowmaker seems to be thriving, using her slow heartbeat as an advantage in her occupation as a sniper. However, in a game that features a genetically enhanced verbal gorilla from the moon, it's not too far off to imagine that the terrorists who slowed Widowmaker's heartbeat also found a way to stabilize this condition. Perhaps they've manufactured an alternate and even more effective mechanism for producing ATP, or perhaps they've engineered her body to have no need for it entirely. Overwatch is a game filled with possibilities after all. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.